What's up everyone? So 2 videos today, doing well. Just going to give a rundown on some trades I took today. So it's the week of NFP, so NFP tends to be quite a volatile week. The markets are heavily manipulated. A lot of people who haven't been obviously in the markets for a long enough time probably shouldn't even be trading NFP week. Maybe post up until about AM session Wednesday. After that, no trades should really be placed unless you're fine-tuned in terms of your analysis and you've been in the game long enough. So yeah, all in all though, you'd want to be keeping your risk small this week, the first week of every month. So yeah, obviously here, start of the day, it's Thursday, August 3rd. We had, I'll just open this up here, just load up Forex Factory here for everyone. So we had a couple of news releases today. We had monetary policy, we had bank rates there for GBP. We had speech there, 7:30 New York time, unemployment claims 8:30, and PMI numbers there at 10. Later on in the Aussie dollar we have another news release there, monetary policy. So mainly a lot of my trading today was post all these news releases here. So as you can see here, we have the start of the day, New York time, midnight. So this is basically about 4 minutes. So from the start of the day, kind of market just slowed down here into this level here, which on a daily time frame, I'll break it up for you now. Do you know what, I'm just going to clear my charts because no, I'm not going to clear my charts because yeah, don't mind all these lines, is a bit jaggy, but let me just show you here. So right here we have a water block there. Okay, so that's on a weekly time frame, breaking it down, higher to lower, where is that after going? Right, so it's over here. So just moving that little yellow box over there, orange box should I say. The market came in here just short of hitting the low of this level there, and didn't really formulate much going into the London session. A lot of back and forth going into New York. So New York obviously kicked in, and we had the equity open there at 9:30 New York local time. And what I was identifying in the market at that time, where are we? So I think it was on a 15, yes it was. So what I was noticing as the market was dancing in around here, coming up here, if you take this level here to here, the market came up into this level and became a balanced price range. So as price came into that, came up, I sold inside this area here, and as you can see, my areas where I was targeting was here. We have the sell-side liquidity resting there and here. So as I was sitting in the market, mainly you would wanted to take something off here. I wasn't looking at the charts at the time. Hit this level here, and as I started to trade back up, I was eyeing up the market there. What was it? What time frame was I on? I think I was on a 5 minute. Let me double check. Would it be in a 3 minute? No, I think it was a 5 minute. So I was just seeing the market obviously coming up here. Let me turn off the magnet there. Yeah, just so you get a rough idea. So right there we have sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Right there, which obviously means it wasn't delivering on the buy side. So as the market tapped into that level, that was still unfilled on the buy side. So when the market was trading up here, I basically said I think that's the end of the move, catching small ranges. So I closed my position here, and as you can see there, I was right to do so. So at the high there, and yeah, so obviously going in, close of the AM here, we have then the lunch hour going all the way into the PM sesh. Lots of back and forth here. what I was copying, I basically just glanced at the chart there. It was last hour trading. Had a quick glance. If you notice here, let's measure that out there. And I noticed the market came into this area, filled that there, came back up, came down, swept these lows here, came back up, and then acted like an inversion right there, sold off. So in my mind, after the market came up here, down, up here, down, up here, down, when we broke this low here, that was a market structure shift to the bearish side. And if you notice here, I'm just going to take this off for a sec, we formed a breakaway gap in there. So as the market came up into that, I noticed that there, and then as it was trading one more time, as close as I could get it, sold there. And inside of this area here, we have a institutional order flow entry drill right there. Right there. Aiming ultimately for this low here to be targeted, and then aiming for this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency on a 3-minute time frame. And as you can see, price came down, tapped it, and I closed my position there, because given the fact that obviously there is currently only about what 20 something minutes left, I wanted to get out. It's a weird week, NFP can be, so this is the macro on time here. This was my time to shine here. Could have held, but would I wanted to sit through this? No, why would I? So as the market came down here, as this swept this low right there, I closed my trade, and that was my day done. And that's basically what I gained in terms of insight there during today's trading on the Nasdaq futures contract. And yeah, just basically showing that if you know what you're looking at and there's a story to tell, you can trade. It's not advisable obviously for people that are new to the markets, but NFP week and everything, it's a very volatile week. Market can go tits up really quick. I traded mainly post the news, but as you notice, when the PMI came out at 10, I used that as a, how should I say, basically like a rocket launcher. And as I was trading inside there, I was like, right, sell, bang, target, and these lows here, ultimately the bodies under here as the draws and liquidity there. As you can see, there's a rejection block right here, and price did in fact tap into that there, bang. So I was targeting the liquidity resting under there. I'm going to trade it back up, obviously close the positions here, let the rest of the day do its job. And as I came onto the PM session there, let the PM session do its bits, glanced at the chart, straight away I knew something was there. I've seen the liquidity resting here, I've seen that acting like an inversion there, and we were on the sell side of the curve here, and I caught that range from there to there, and that was me paid. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.